What a great program.
Yeah, I might actually have to invest in a tree once it starts getting a bit warmer. Jake, any chances of that happening?
I mean, yeah, it was a pretty slick drive into campus this morning, but when I come back, I'll be telling you about that break we're going to be having in precipitation and whether or not we're going to be seeing those temperatures increase, so stick around. Welcome back. I'm weather reporter Jake DeReese, and as I said earlier, it was a slick drive into campus this morning, so I wanted to take a look at our snowfall reports for the past 24 hours. Bay City saw 3.5 inches last night accumulate. Shepherd about 4.5. Big Rapids, same story, and Saginaw there with 3 inches. Now, it was pretty slick, but we are going to be seeing a break from this precipitation. Let's take a look at our 7-day forecast to start things off, where again, you can see Saturday partly sunny and into the weekend and into early parts of next week. That precipitation not really making its way into our forecast. That won't be seeing its way into the forecast until middle of the week. But let's really stick with the weekend right now and take a look at what's going on as we enter our weekend. Right now, Mount Pleasant in a lot of clear conditions right now. The sun was out and it was pretty gorgeous on campus. We are seeing a few lake effect spotty showers over in the Muskegon and Grand Rapids area, but no accumulation to worry about there. Just some lake effect snow. Our campus cam currently, again, like I said, there's that gorgeous blue sky right here to begin our weekend and that snow on the ground from earlier this morning. Temperatures right now 23 degrees, but our winds are gusting up to 15 miles per hour, so we're going to be seeing those feels like dip under those 20 degrees. And let's actually look at that. Mount Pleasant feels like 17 degrees, and this is really the story for most of mid-Michigan. Cadillac 12 degrees, Clare 17 degrees, really those mid to lower teens feels like for most of Michigan due to those winds, and the winds are going to be our main story for this weekend. That 7-day did show temps in the upper 30s and lower 40s, but those winds on Saturday gusting up to 28 miles per hour and on Sunday gusting up to 33 miles per hour. These are really going to keep our temperatures lower than those average temps that you saw on that 7-day. Again, those lower 40s. So let's break it down. Skycast wind chills. We're heading into Saturday afternoon, 25 degrees at 3:30. And again, same story throughout most of Michigan with Lansing at 30 degrees and Gaylord 20-degree wind chills. Let's take a look into Sunday afternoon, where again, with those winds, we're going to be seeing those feels like be a little chillier, but Lansing right there, 41 degrees. That's because those winds will be dying down by the time we start our week on Monday. Now, I'd like to point out, though, that we are seeing that precipitation later on this week, and we are tracking it that it could be potentially eventful. You could see in that purple there where Mount Pleasant's located, snowfall that could be pretty heavy and accumulating. But let's really break down our precip chances for the coming week. Sunday, dry, and Monday, we're still looking dry, but on Tuesday, we have those snow chances. Nothing too much to accumulate. But on Wednesday, that's when we're going to be seeing that accumulating snow. And on Thursday, that's when we're going to be seeing that possibility for accumulation of ice, possibly. And Giselle is going to have more on that and what you can expect later on in the show. But just remember that this is still a little bit early to talk about amounts. So we're really just going to be talking about what to expect if we do see that ice.
Hello, I'm Giselle Saab, your weather specialist. Let's begin with our precipitation outlook. If you look at the green, it shows that in 8 to 14 days, we have a possible chance of above average precipitation amounts. Then continuing on to the European skycast, what you'll see in lower Michigan, we have rain possibly, and in upper Michigan, snow, while in Mount Pleasant, we may have ice and snow. Now carrying on to our extended forecast, Sunday is going to be 38 degrees. Gusty winds. Then on Thursday is when we'll see that mixed wintry precipitation. But on Friday, we'll be back to being partly cloudy.
Thanks so much, Giselle.